Hey guys, here's some quick tips for getting the most out of two-sided games. The first tip is to use a river instead of a single line in the middle. So what I have here is I have two blue lines here. What that does is that separates the sides a little bit more, so I don't have to worry about people nailing somebody with a ball or the arguments about who was on whose side. And my rule for the river is you can reach into the river, you just can't touch the inside of it. The second tip that I have is instead of doing just two teams, I use a third team, and there's two reasons for that. The biggest reason is they just get tired after 10 or 15 minutes. So I have that third team, which gives them a break, but also incentive to play harder while they're playing. So right now I'm doing a game called Fire in the Hole. This team's throwing over here and trying to make it into their basketball goal. That team is throwing over here, trying to make it into their basketball goal. We play for 2 minutes. Whichever team scores the most wins the round. Whoever wins moves to the winning side. Whoever loses goes back here and they take a break. Now, when they're back there taking a break, I've got things for them to do because a bored student is one who's getting themselves into things they probably shouldn't. So I've got trampolines back there. I've got exercise balls. They can climb the wall. Just a ton of things that they can do, or they can rest and they can just watch. Most of them get so excited and into the game that they're ending up just using that time as a break so that they come back, have a little bit more energy. The last thing about that is when I have the two sides with the winning side over here, if it's a tie, the winning side is always the side that goes out. That way they all get a chance for breaks, and the team that's been in the longest is the team that goes out by a tie.